Le whanga ta'awili ua tangi ta'awili ma. I tūlai siali I ma ua whai mai. Ia file muia to ale tai tali langi sa tato ai. Whai talia peretania. Auele ko vanai. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Ua e whaafiti. Talo Fancy Jenny. E te leilo aina. Hi, Secretary. O se whangata avili. Miss Flora, aloha. I moli mauta maiti. Hi, Leilani Moore. And Aunties Tofete and Tarrant. Malea fafine o filisi. Hi, Celia. O oela vane fapai le whangata avili. Anita Yone, thank you for joining us. Sia Fainuu, sorry. Carolyn Kitiona, Malo Soifua, Mayuso Nation from the nations. Malo Saudi. Sylvana Wells from Ina, aloha. Aloha from Punch Bowl. Fina Lankildi po Savea. Danny Salafai, Malo le Soifua. Hello, just delicious. Sam Vafusi Vafusuanga, Malo le Soifua. Francis Samoa, Malo lava, Malo. Yeah. Lewa iole nu usata li ilangi Daki Steel. Lefa aula tanga I yasu taita si fatala fatu finia demzel. Leo moana fonti malo lava Soifua. Lewa I tafe malo si mai manga. Vai sola manga malo lava Soifua. Hi Lilani Moore. Maletele mata. Julius 57 manu, my man. How's it going, man? Seia eo, leitu wala, malo le Soifua. Fatalo vatfo iha Auntie Miki. Julie Lavatai, thank you for joining us. All right. Kate, so we're going to start talking about history tonight. This evening, our session is about history. And in order to speak on our history, we cannot start in Samoa. Ele mawhai ona amata le tato talafa solo pito ito tonu o Samoa. It's a tau ona aluatu I tua. Where did we come from? Who were we before we came to Samoa? Samoa is the cradle of Polynesia. Samoa is the cradle of Polynesia. And so it was from there we traveled to other places or the heart of Polynesia. And from there, that's the start of the Polynesia Triangle. Tawilunga Hawaii goes all the way up to Hawaii, and then to New Zealand and Marquesas in those areas. Auntie Tewila, malo le soifua, malo lava. Miliane ngau tiote, malo lava le soifumawa. So let's get right into it. Polynesia all started from Samoa. And then their travels to Marquesas and New Zealand and to Hawaii. What is the problem now is I am not too tech savvy. So ona watu tatuata and our arrows Polynesia, or the different parts of Polynesia that we traveled from and to. From my Lord Luso Yapo, Malito Finia Sarah, Pinafoi Peteru and Margaret Tea. So, who are we? We are Samoan, but before we came to be Samoans, what were we? Historians have found pottery in Samoa. Some have been found on the mount tops of Fatumafuti to be that of the Lapita people. What are these Lapita people? Lapita is a term that was coined by archaeologists from the Haviki language, from the word Zapeta, or Xapeta apostrophe A, Zapeta, and so they traveled from Asia, and a lot of people say so. There's this idea of the two theories of where Polynesians are from, whether they are from Africa or Asia. I believe, it is my belief, that they are from Asia. Yeah. They are from Asia by way of Africa. And if you notice, when the Africans traveled east to Asia, they got lighter. Well, they got their pigmentation became lighter because they moved away from the equator where it was hotter. And as they moved back south in Melanesia, Micronesia, and Polynesia, they began to become darker because their skin had to accumulate or assimilate to the sun or the climate of where they lived. So our people are of the Lapita people, and they believe the dating has gone back between 1350 BCE and 750 BCE. Their travels from there within that time frame. Now, what is BCE? What is BCE? BCE is before the Common Era. That is similar to BC or before Christ. So BC is before Common Era. So these Lapita people, or these, the word Lapita is derived from diggers, and the reason why is because the people in New Caledonia that use the Haviki language saw that the archaeologists were digging to find out about these people, and so when the people of that tribe considered the findings of to be of Lapita or Lapita, that's where the name came from. So that is not the exact name given. It is a name that was made up to denote that these are people whose history was found because they were dug up. Yeah. But the Lapitas came before that time. So if we want to understand who we are, then we have to follow that trace of the Lapita people, and then trace our way back to Asia, and then we can finally find out who we are and where we are from. So let me turn. Yes, BCE is before the Common Era, or before Christ in the other sense. So in asa ili ia le talafa solpito tatu tangata ele mfayo na amata i Samoa ele anga ia tangata na mua mai fatu amoa ilua il tatu anga nupo tatu tumanga i Samoa e tau tatu sa ili tuatu o feo mai o tatu tangata ona tatou mvaila ia i talafa solpito o nisi foi o mea po o ipu o mea Samoa i Samoa e iaile latou talafa solpito a ngai e feso tai a ngai i tangata Lapita po i latou ia mua mai mai Asia ona o latou tamirosanga mai Afrika e sila lei tangata nei. Tangata Afrika e uli ona e lata ile ekueta o latou tauasanga la po latou folaunga by land ia sawi foilola ia ile atu Asia e maui lunga maile ekueta dia lai mafuai ona pe e tau papai ona mamau male ekueta wo papai a lata ile ekueta ona ole foafoanga sidi ese lea lai ona uli o tatou pa o tatou tangata Samoa ona ua lata ile ikueta mai whaingo fi ai ona tatou ola fo ia lea adapt po le taumawhai leo tatou tangata ile natua lava o mea na whaia whafso taia ngai ile nofuanga ua iai le teimina. And so ole taunga la ole taimi ai sa yai tangata nei tangata Lapita upu Lapita e sau mai le upu mai le atu New Caledonia po le atu kuki e ta o tangata e whaungaina ngana ta o le haveke po le haviki ole upu ole Zapeta lea la ole wingo le na upu o tangata sa eli o mafu ango le nai ngoa ona o tangata o le talfa asil pito ne tangata sa eliina e tangata su e po sai nisi su ia man mafu anga na fa ai ngoi la i o tangata eli po tangata ona su enga sa moa I le eli a tangata o le vai teimi la o tangata nei Lapita e mai le tasi la fetos la limas fulu a ti la mo e o lava I le fits la limas fulu ti la mo I la tau e le o silafia le esenga o ti la mo teimi le maliu ma le ti a le teimi a tali o le teimi na tu so teimi le maliu Yesu ho mai lo teimi maliu Yesu a matalo le teimi a tali a po le ti a so o le mafu angala na tatu tangata e a fua mai Asia ai asa ili po fe e o mai tangata Asia e o mai Afrika o le tala fa so pitula na o te mana o fa so atu I le teimi le nei ona o le tupu anga o tatu tangata ele le tatunga tato ya tangalolangi tangalo fa tupunu lea na fua tangata o tali tonunga na tato ilunga o le lama tato tangata sa yei fo isalato mai malato tu manga they believed in a God not necessarily the white-faced God that they were taught starting 1830 AD or CE so our people believed in a God but not a faced God as they started learning from 1830 AD o le te mila lea o ina lola yo tatangata I le atua leile tusipa ia I le tasi lafe vadus lau tos fulu ti le laf toa mam lama I lola yo tatangata I le atua le tusipa ia Peta iane sa talitonu tatangata I le atua talitonu tatangata I le atua ai ina watu missionary ma vatu tusipa ia ma faata atu folinga ale atua o ina lola aia sui lola I tatu tapo inga I le atua fai folinga le atua le watu ia le tusipa ia vatu maunata so ole that is what I wanted to share with you folks this evening was if you want to understand who Samoans are who their what their traditions and cultures relate to you can find that in the study of the Lapita people so I just want to keep these things short now because I don't want to jam them all within 15 minutes or I don't want to try to drag this into an hour because I also want to keep that attention span on so again so to just put it blatantly our people were here within this time our islands were discovered before Christ o tatu watu nu na tangata atu Samoa aile I afio mai Yesu aile I afio mai Yesu ona o le teimi fa tulanga ina lepe ona yei tangata Lapita e mai le tasi le afe tots lau limas fulu ti la mo e o mai ile lima selau fitu selau limas fulu ti la mo. The question will come because some people aren't aware or are probably questioning why is it from 1350 BCE to 750 BCE why has the number changed? So mantua we BCE and CE or BC and AD or tila mo matia counting down to this time where they meet you count down from BC you count down years count down AD years count up so that's why now we are at year 2020 from AD or BCE or CE common era ole mafu angalana that is why it's every time you years are denoted in times of BCE or BC or tila mo. O le mafuanga le na i tautau sanga i le tila mo e alu na i lalo. E le alu na i lunga. Ona o i le teimi atali e alu na i lunga o na taimi. O ina tau te maua inai ia le sau i lalo le teimi mai ana mua. E mai le teimi Yesu Keriso. Ia whaawau il teimi atali whaitau anga i lunga ia teimi mai le teimi lea. So a whapela e te alu ai tua teimi Tavita ia ona te lela i o numera. Ai sau mai Tavita anga i le perfecta o Nehemia ona saula i lalo o le numera. Ai a whapea fo i o teimi o Yesu whaitau ana i le teimi o Ioane le whaifaalinga ia ona taula i lunga o le teimi ona o leo sauanga i luma. O le whainga le nā le taunga o tausanga o le teimi le maliu ma le teimi atali. So I just wanted to share on that where our people are from. We are of the Lapita people who are derived or who came from Asia. So that is our lesson today. I look forward to your questions that we will go over tonight during our Temi Chill. And then tomorrow as well, we will go over again our first session, and then our later session, which will be history again. Thank you folks for tuning in. Tato fasole na le ne afi soi fua ma ia manuia.